Yeah.
Okay, cool. Good morning, girls. Hi, Shivangi. You're on
Very good
mute.
morning.
Good morning. Good
So
afternoon.
nice. Good afternoon. Yeah, I'm still.
No,
It's
it's still
afternoon
morning.
here, but it's
Here
still
we have half an hour more before good afternoon.
Yeah, you got another half an hour. How are you doing, Elizabeth? Doing
Very
good?
good. I made my student to say hello to your girls.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Great. Shivangi, your mic is on mute. How are you, Ruchita?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm much
Yeah,
better.
great. Nice to see you and
Yes.
smiling and happy and relaxed.
I feel like you said the Hanuman sister.
Exactly. That's why she's saying I move a mountain. I said, oh, this one is Anuman's sister then. So
Yeah.
congratulations, Ruchita, for
Thank you so much. I was literally thanking you so much because this interview has been going on since 2 months.
my
And she
God.
has rejected me twice.
Oh God.
But you see, that's the
she,
power, no?
she
Yeah.
rejected me twice. And then she told me that यार Zoom पे ना मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या करूं. She got some reference again from her office. She asked about who's good in this industry for business development. And out of 10 people in her office, 3 took my name.
Oh wow. That's a good
And
one.
that was shocking for me. Ki how do they even know me?
Oh
I
my.
don't know them. They know me.
Wow.
So he was like कि यार इस लड़की का नाम सभी लोग ले रहे हैं और मैंने उसको 2 बार रिजेक्ट कर चुकी हूँ. So let me call her face to face. And
Okay.
you won't believe, she was not even paying me 50,000 as salary. And when she met me, she was like, अच्छा तू जो figure बोल रही है ना ले ले.
Oh my
Even,
God.
I'm not even saying anything. You just join.
Oh God. Wow.
ऐसा हो गया. I was like, ये तो चमत्कार हो गया बिल्कुल.
Really, seriously, this is chamatkar only. So
Because
nice.
after getting rejected twice, who gives
Yeah.
you job?
But
Yeah, exactly.
that's what our confidence does, and the subconscious. If we keep
Yes,
it active,
this was my. I have
yeah.
never felt this way. I have never felt this way.
Ruchita, you are going to give me a very good testimonial separately on video.
That's yeah.
I've been doing that since 3 days. Everybody, I don't know. So I just did a. I just one of my friend asked for a video testimonial.
Yeah.
So she's a Vastu expert. So I
Hmm.
did a Vastu testimonial for her just because she's a good friend of mine. After
Hmm.
that, I think everybody saying, "क्या तेरा video testimonial इतना अच्छा है? Please do it for me. Please do it for me." I said, "Okay, I will do it for everyone. Now start paying me."
Yeah, yeah. I don't mind at
Yeah.
all. Energy exchange should be
No,
there.
no. Because see, with you, I have been connected. I've been
Yeah,
doing which you've been guiding me. These
yeah.
are friends. ये friendly favors मांग रहे थे. मैंने
I
कहा अच्छा तो you
know.
start. I'll do paid media for you.
I know, but it's so nice. I'm so glad you came back with a positive mindset. And that day
Yes,
I was writing to you, I'm asking where is Ruchita? Where is 3 days we waited, we skipped
I
class.
know.
And I was like, where is this girl? Why is she not replying?
I was so depressed. I was so depressed. Oh my God. I don't know. I thought कि I was just losing my confidence to talk to people for interviews. And I was like, what the hell is happening? I gave like about 20 interviews. And
My gosh.
after negotiations on salary, nobody is coming back to me.
Hmm.
I'm like, from what package I've come to what package, and even then, people are just not ready to, take it ahead or give me a reply. So at that
Hmm.
point, you just don't understand what exactly
Is
where
happening.
is
Yeah.
this going.
Yeah.
So
And
I
with
think
every
I
every
basically I
every
feel
interview
that
which is
you
not giving a reply, you feel
Yeah.
so dejected. At least I was feeling so dejected.
I
I was
know.
like, ये क्या हो रहा है? कभी लाइफ में मैंने इतने सारे इंटरव्यूज नहीं किए थे. For me, I always knew कि if I'm getting for this interview, it was always I used to go with this mindset. मुझे अगर ये जॉब चाहिए तो ये आज मैं क्लियर करके ही आऊंगी. और अगर
Hmm.
मुझे आज ये जॉब नहीं चाहिए तो भी मैं ऑफर लेकर आऊंगी. Yeah,
Yeah.
and irrespective of that mindset which I went in all these interviews, nothing was coming out, and I was just in the brink of getting depressed only, almost depressed.
Great. So now we are very happy. We wish you all the best,
Thank
a
you
lot of
so
success,
much.
and I'm
Thank
so
you
so
so
happy for
much.
you. And I'm so glad to see your face smiling and relaxed.
I'm so glad. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. So nice to have our student happy and smiling.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah. So anything else everybody would like to ask, or any, how was your experience and how are you seeing changes?
Yeah.
What?
So, okay, Elizabeth, you can go.
No. Go ahead, Shivangi.
Oh, okay.
So
So,
we'll do one thing, Shivangi. We all will put ourselves on mute so that what you say is clear. Otherwise, the recording becomes a little noisy. Okay, so we'll put ourselves on mute. So Shivangi, you can go ahead.
yeah. So actually, I got a job 1 month back, and before that, I was not earning anything. And suddenly, I got 2 jobs, and I'm like, oh my god! And in the previous stage, it was difficult to handle. Because earlier I had a chilled life, and now so much of work. But because of the switch work and I'm doing, I feel calm. I feel nahi ho jayega calm, and it's actually happening. And okay, so I have to do calling, and I am an actor by myself, and I'm working in a acting academy. So I have to do the marketing, and I'm doing calling, and I call people and I ask them if you want to enroll, and I make them understand what is the course about, what are we going to teach. So lately I have experienced that I am able to connect to people so well that people actually go and find me on Instagram, who is Shivangi Vora, and they are like, we want to see this woman, see this girl, and they talk to me. Even if they don't join the course, they feel so happy after talking to me, and I feel, oh my god, that is a human connection. That is so pure. Like even if they are not converting, actually I'm having a connection with them, and I feel so happy about that. And in just one day, like we have a workshop starting from 18th August. So in one day, I did 2 enrollments worth rupees 20,000. So I was so happy about that. And I also personally I take a workshop, and the name is Kensho Factor, the initiative, and I already have given this coaching to 22 people till now, and I feel so happy like helping them. And I'm like, oh my god, I'm going to tell them to contact Barkha and just start your journey. And no, but really it really helps. The switch words, it really helps. We don't know, like our conscious mind doesn't have that logic, it can't comprehend. अरे ऐसे ऐसे words होगा, ऐसे number क्या कैसे कुछ भी. But then once we do it, and we just do it blind faith, we just do it, don't apply that logic, it really works, because that is connected to our subconscious mind. So I'm really, really grateful for introducing me to switch words. I had never done in my life previously. Thanks to Neelam Di, and thanks to you, Bakha. Thank you so much.
That's really lovely. It's so nice. Yeah, its main is the connection that we need. And what you're saying is very true. When you do it without any doubt or without any expectations, it just comes up with such fantastic experiences that you never even thought that it will happen. I mean, the other day, I'll give you an example. There is a client of mine. She messaged me at 11:30 in the night, and she was supposed to go to her house, from her mom's house to her own house. They were shifting. They were all packed and ready, and they were supposed to go out on the next day, and she was not able to find her house keys. And she messages me at 11:30 in the night, and she's like, Barkha, I don't know where are my house keys. Tomorrow we are supposed to do shifting, or I can't remember where my keys are. And I was like, okay. So I said, okay, do one thing, just keep chanting reach. Okay, reach is a word that helps you to find things, and if you've forgotten something, helps you to remember things or find a solution or whatever. So I told her, she's saying, what kind of this thing? It's not even a full sentence. I said, just say one word. Just keep on saying reach, and in your intention that I want my keys. I'm trying to find my keys. So she started chanting, chanting, chanting. 12:05 in the night, she messages me, I found the keys.
Oh my god.
I was like, really? I said, this is amazing. This was really, really amazing. So it is like, I just told her, just do it. Don't ask it's going to work or it's not going to work. How it's going to work, even I don't know. I said, maybe you will just have uh, you know, something in your mind will take you to where you left it at the last. The key will not come flying in front of you, but at least it will give you an insight. You will start remembering where you left it in the last. And you know what it happened? It turned out to be her husband who told her that, I think you should check my bag the other day in the laptop bag. Maybe I kept it in that. And you won't believe, it was in the laptop bag. So it was that the key is not going to come in front of you, but somehow somebody is going to tell you where the key is. So it was her
Right.
husband who was just sitting and doing time pass, and she is like a crazy woman finding all over the house for the keys.
So
He's like, just go look at my laptop.
I'm not able to find my license. I'll do this.
Do that. Do
Yeah.
that.
Reach. Okay.
Yeah, just reach now. Or if you immediate, it is reach now. So add the word now to it,
No.
and it's
Okay.
reach now. So it works immediately, quickly.
Right. The powerful switch word I found is cancel. Like,
Cancel.
yeah.
Cancel is a good word to use if you are trying to clear debts also. So anytime
Okay.
you want to, if you owe some money to some people and you want to clear it off, so whatever intentions you are setting, try to keep to 2 or 3 intentions at a time. So then you chant whatever number of phrases you want. That's not the issue. But your intention has to be very clear. So even if it
Okay.
is depths, no, and you are specific about it, then have the intention specific in your mind, and then start chanting. So it works amazing.
I
Okay.
think for me, these words worked much more. Divine, create, restore.
Divine
Somehow,
create.
divine, create, restore. ये जितने भी phrases मेरे जितने भी chant में थे ना, मैंने जब जब ये chant किया है, somehow I was like कि even in the numbers I used to find these words and somehow मुझे लगता था कि ये numbers मुझे कुछ बता रहे हैं क्या? Yeah,
Right.
so somehow it just stays with me. Divine, create, restore. Somehow these words just.
Restore is to bring yourself back to your original state. So if your intention is to have a life that you had nice, abundant, and fulfilling, so you are actually having that intention. So your consciousness is restoring you back to it. Yeah.
Don't remember being so talkative and so full of positive energy.
Yeah.
In the past, at least 1 year, I've been feeling so negative energy, so negative thoughts, not been very talkative. But now it's like my old self being, can't stop talking at all.
That's why you're giving all these video interviews to everyone.
And also restore, it is like even when we were a child, we were so happy, we were so filter free. Like,
Yeah.
so maybe you can go back to that. You are like a child again
Yes.
and so happy in life.
Yeah. So your main thing with switch words is if you're keeping that childlike behavior, na, that you see how children are. They ask without doubt. You know, and I want this. They don't know how they're going to get it, but they say, I want this, and they will move the whole world till they don't get it. So they have that childlike attitude. I don't know how it's going to come to me, but I want this. They just know it's theirs. कि वो मुझे मिलने ही वाला है. That's the way they
Okay.
keep it. You see how they talk to their parents also, no? They know the
Yeah,
parent
you
is
will see
going
how
to
my
give.
son will ask for toys. Mummy, online order kar do. You have money in your purse. You have money. You please buy. No, what is the problem? Order kar
Yeah,
do.
order kar do. So
Just
they are
trust
very
me.
childlike. They know it's going to come anyhow. How it's going to come is not their lookout. It is your lookout how you're going to pay the bill.
Right. Also, I had a question.
Hmm.
Example, there are 3 different intentions. Like I want to reduce weight, I want hike in my salary, and I want a good boyfriend. Like
Yes.
example.
Hmm.
So, is there any one phrase which can help my 3 intentions?
All the 3.
Yeah.
You can do the this one. I think divine grace be together now.
Okay.
I don't know. I've been using that phrase for a week. I think since I've given it to you guys, I've also started using the same phrase. Once I gave you in the class, I also started using. So I thought it was a very good one because it connected to means it was for everything. I felt it applies to everything. So divine grace be together forever.
Okay.
The one I think day 7 or something I gave day 7 or
Okay.
day 14. I don't know. If you go back on your slides and see, divine grace be together forever.
Forever. And the numbers, we have to also chant that.
Yes, you can chant the numbers. Numbers are only 45 times.
Okay.
So even if you are not chanting them, you can write them on your wrist with a blue or a green color pen.
Okay.
So the
And
numbers are, you don't need, if you have time to chant, then numbers are always 45 times and the switch word phrases are 108.
okay. Example, if I want to write, but I like 108 times is too much. Like it's time consuming. And if I don't have time that much, can I
28
write?
times. 28
Okay, I was going to ask you that. Okay.
If you minimum, if you can split it up in 3 to 4 times in a day, so each time do 28 times. Like if you don't
Okay.
have, no, 28 times will not take you more than 5-7 minutes. That 5-7
Okay.
minutes you can spread it across the day.
Okay. And if I don't get time or if I have forgotten, the 28 times chalega? One minute.
28 times is fine. Otherwise, I'll give you another shortcut. What you can do is write it on a blank piece of paper. Okay.
Okay.
Take that blank piece of paper and stick it on your water bottle.
Oh,
The writing facing inside the bottle, not outside. So you keep filling your water bottle. The water is getting charged with those words full day. If you don't want to stick a paper, then write with the marker. That also will work. Okay.
okay.
Plastic bottle is my second option. First option is the glass bottle because glass reflects energy quickly. Okay. So if you have even if you have got a long glass at home or you got a big bottle of glass water bottle, then you can stick the paper just around it. ऐसे उसको stick करके put the sellotape. So it's stuck.
Okay.
You can write 2-3 phrases on the
Writing
paper.
inwards. Okay, writing will be inwards. Okay.
You're on mute. 520 Hertz is written. See?
See, I've written 520, 741
741 and 808.
ये
These three
tattoo
are
है
combination.
ये मेरे palm का tattoo है अब
I have
permanent.
crystal stones also which are with these frequency numbers.
You have those rose quartz because I'm really
Yeah.
I love
fascinated.
those
I
words.
have the transparent ones. So I have those numbers are already, so it's the prosperity bunch. So I had got it for myself. So एक दो students ने देख लिया तो I got it for them also. So
From where did you get it?
I don't know, yaar, a friend of mine, she told me I have a supplier, तो मेरे को अच्छा लगा. I said, okay, you send it to me. And she didn't even take the money. I told her, give me 2-3 and she sent me. और मेरे पास जो था मैंने वो student को दे दिया. So I told her also recently, I said, just get me a few more because it's very good. I mean, even if you have those crystals and you are just keeping it on the place of work where you're sitting and working, it's automatically, crystal itself attracts energy, no? Dissipates also the energy quickly.
A friend of mine had gifted me about 9 crystals. I don't know what exactly am I supposed to do with them. So I've just
You
kept it in my
can
wardrobe.
use them. What you do is if you can clean them, then clean them in salt water. Keep it overnight. Cleanse the crystals. Next day in the morning, drain the water, but don't put your fingers in that. Just try to,
Okay.
like, if you put it in a container, put the crystals, put the salt, soak it overnight, 24 hours. Then just drain the water out and then put it under the running water. Just don't put your hands in that water because every crystal, when you put it in salt water, it will salt water will pull away the negative energy. So don't put your hands in it.
Okay.
Okay, so just immediately drain it. Use a spoon or something to hold the crystals so that they don't fall in the sink. And just drain the water, wash them under the tap. And then you can use these crystals with setting an intention on it also. So like if you have a switch word phrase, you write it on the piece of paper and you've got a crystal. Like I've got this one with me, all right? I use amethyst.
Okay.
So whenever I have my switch, my energy circle, I put this, it's charged with the intention that it is for prosperity and everything. So I put that next to the energy circle.
I'll show you those crystals because they are like they are not this big. They are like small ones.
It's okay. Whatever it is, no problem.
Okay.
It's you can just cleanse it and keep it on to your. You can set an intention on each and every crystal, and then you can use it on your switch word phrases on your book. You can keep it. So it's
Can I keep it at my workplace henceforth? Matlab whenever I start all those crystals.
Whenever you're using crystals, make sure you have a habit of cleaning them again and again. Because if you're putting it in your workplace, you will have a lot of other people around you.
Other
so
people.
It will
Maybe I'll
absorb
keep
negative.
them covered.
You can keep them open. The only thing I'm asking you to clean is because a crystal pulls the negative energies, no?
Negative
And
energy.
it is
Yeah.
giving out positive. So when it absorbs
Positive.
too much of negative, you just make
Mhm.
sure every 1 or 2 weeks you cleanse
Every
them,
1 or 2.
and then
Okay.
charge them with your intention, and then put it back. Not a problem.
Okay.
Okay.
So I have a question. So while doing the intention, can we touch the crystal?
Yes, 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 yes. You can.
Okay. Because I have a bracelet. So I thought of pehle clean kar do, then intention, and then I can wear it, no?
Yes, yes, you can do that. It's very
Okay.
good to wear crystal. This just calms you down and just attracts a lot of nice positive energy.
Yeah.
Elizabeth, anything you want to share?
Yeah. So I think it was it's just amazing. Is Of late we have been putting students into the different way of thinking and speaking. So in the classes, conscious thought, conscious words. See, I first started with the energy circle, and that really helped them to put their thoughts on the circle, move the negativity out, and move it into auspicious. So, like that, one student who is an architect, she was able to get the money that was stuck for like 3 months in a chit fund. She got it released. And she got it released less than 19 days. Another person who's also an architect, she got a deal of 185,000 dirhams project activated after 3 days. Rejected twice, but activated after 3 days. So these are all foreign nationals. I don't have Indians in my center as my trainees. Almost the professionals and the students who are 6 and above are Arabs mainly. What I like about it goes without saying that it's your faith and no doubt. That's an underline. Without the minute you start doubting it and you say, okay, what is it trying to? Nothing happens. Because the problem is with our subconscious. Our subconscious lies in all sorts of doubts. So if we can just go by the switch word, it actually pushes our subconscious into the present. And that's how it happens. My CEO, who's an Emirati and who owns the company, who gifted me this company last year, practices it. And he's the direct report of His Highness. And 7 years, his boss never spoke to him. But after he started the switch words and the energy circle and removing the negativity, the boss gave him a project now. 7 years. 7 years. And the director, who's not as qualified as him, because my boss is a PhD in knowledge transfer, finally got over his fears also, so that he can communicate with people who are more qualified than him. So that has happened. My center yesterday got permission, not just teenagers and above adults, but from 6 years to whatever years, number of years. Yesterday we got the permission from the government. So that's why
That's amazing. Congratulations, Elizabeth. That's a big achievement.
yeah. So
Very nice.
that just came in a phone call yesterday when I was teaching my architect, a professional architect. So just one of them, I'm teaching different mediums, and one of it is switch words. Most of them are doing only switch word, but because she's too capable, she's building a city of coffee.
Wow.
A coffee city. So I've taught her different modalities, and she's able to carry it according to each modality's strength.
Okay.
Then I've taught them the amethyst value.
Hmm.
So the whole amethyst, now when they give me money or just hand money because it's a gift, I put their money, put the amethyst on their money, and I do 520 hertz. So they will also increase.
Right.
With
Right.
my students, when they pay the fees, So I put it, I have this box. This is where the money comes and where my switchboards are, words are.
Okay.
I put on it, see, 520 hertz. I
You
write it.
can it's a good way of, that's a wealth multiplier technique.
Yeah,
So you
and
can even put your switch word phrases on in your box.
yes,
Yeah.
and
I
we
didn't
leave
get
it
it.
open. We leave it open so that the energy radiates.
Yes.
Okay, and even 8049627. Then I had two walk-ins, a finance controller. Barka, you know him.
Hmm.
It's Pooja's uncle is doing class from me.
Oh, is it? My God.
Because the flat where I'm staying is the most prosperous of his flats.
Oh,
So he who's handling 600 businesses and the owner of the flat is now doing my classes.
oh, awesome. That's
And then,
nice.
and it so happens that my hospitality trainee, she works one of their hotels, and I made Shivangi and Ruchita. She said hello to them before you came.
Okay, okay.
So she started Switchwords on July 13th with 20% occupancy in the hotel, which is J5. Today, the hotel, which is 28th of July, it moved to 75% occupancy.
Wow.
And for the Eid, it is 100% occupied.
Oh my
Now,
God.
there is something else. With Switchwords, when you put intention, the finance controller walked into our office and paid us the fees and said, start my class. That is 2 hours after doing 520 hertz.
Oh, nice.
Okay? And I had another engineering student, engineer who walked in from Nigeria. He
Huh.
was leaving on the next flight for 2 weeks because now we are open in Dubai. So he paid me money and he said, do for me 4 hours class. And then I'm flying tomorrow, and then you do online. So all this money just happened. So it's 520 hertz, which
Hmm.
actually just happens. And yesterday, I also had gift money from my architect,
Hmm.
also my student. She's a professional architect who just wanted to just gift it because she is increasing her mind capacity as a result of these trainings. Now, most of my professionals are at least 6 months with me. So I've started on a creative level, moved their brain to an expanded level, then put switch words. So what happens is you subconsciously get so good,
Yeah.
your conscious living starts to become very good.
Yes. Yes.
You know, so
Yes.
and though I do a lot of other modalities as well, I've seen that uh, when we clear our subconscious every day, so
Yeah.
this clear, cancel, delete is absolutely fantastic. Oil release is fantastic.
Yes.
You know, the finance controller, he had gone for grounding and then some insect had bitten him. Then he came back and told me, I said, now I'll not do class for a week because I want you to do oil release.
Yeah.
Then he felt better. Then he did that for his pain to leave. That also a switch word I gave him. So they are very difficult to be convinced because they're finance controllers. They go
Yeah.
by the logical brain.
Yeah.
They don't go by the creative side.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it's for the creative. I
Yeah.
have a 12-year-old student.
Hmm.
He says subconscious equals success.
Hmm.
That's it. So
That's
he
it.
can do all your switch words. He can do whatever he wants and make it happen. So that's the kind of brain we need, the childlike brain, which today adults also have decided in my class, don't think about it, just do.
Yeah. Just do it.
So, yeah, just do it. And I have a 10-year-old now, 10-year-old, the sister of
Hmm.
the 12-year-old. And now that I'm permitted from 6 years old, you see, that's the age we need.
Yeah.
6 to whatever, because then even where they were finding it difficult from 0 to 6,
Yeah.
we can clear them subconsciously,
Consciously. Correct.
and then our journey as parents gets very interesting.
True. And
You
easier also. Easier to handle.
Yes. Another thing for my son, who is not only doing aviation and he finished his journalism without telling me, he also got his seat after 5 examinations in sound engineering
Oh,
with
wow.
water therapy.
Wow.
Again, courtesy UK and US, and is going to get transferred to Bangalore after COVID. But now they're doing everything online. So the power, if you see, he's 22 now, but he just goes by what he wants to do. He doesn't ask permissions.
Yeah.
So we need to do one thing is request permission of our own
Ourselves.
conscious self. This
Correct.
subconscious blocks us,
Yeah.
it defeats us, it sabotages our life.
Totally correct.
So
Totally correct.
that's why more than anything, it's a power to a person who doesn't have any intention in every morning to put one switch word in his mouth.
Yeah.
That switch word will switch him on.
Yeah.
I just believe in
Absolutely
that.
true.
I've
True.
seen a lot of growth. Classrooms have grown. We have got this huge permission now. And my intention now is now I'm doing listen between recent create divine. I'm doing this because I want to go on a higher level regarding students. I've also got for the first time United Nations with me, students and United Nations, one of the main officers, who's doing 3 of my professional skills, but we are creating the mind as well in that. Another thing is we just won the Lady Diana Nominator Award because 2 years in a row, whoever we nominated won the award. So now we can nominate anyone for Lady Diana Awards. So expanding our students' mind, whether they're children or adult, has also expanded the energy of the center.
We'll be getting disconnected in 3 minutes. आप म्यूट पे हो बरखा जी.
So if you guys are okay and you want to join in again, then use the same link. Otherwise, we will wind up the session. If you all have more to add, then we can join back.
You can join back.
Okay, cool. So I will end this here and we'll connect back again. Okay.
Yeah, please record it. Okay.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
will
I'll do
be
that.
not able to join because I have to prepare
Okay.
lunch.
All right.
That's
Okay.
why. But
See
it
you
was
then.
so lovely connecting with
Same
all of
here.
you.
Same here. Same here.
And I'm
Thank you so
really
much.
glad to be a part of your switch words, and I hope I'll continue it.
Wish you lots of luck, abundance, prosperity. Bless you. And we will connect soon again. Okay. All right.
Sure, sure.
Chalo. Take care.
Okay, bye.
Bye.